Rebecca.
Rebecca's too big to do it now, huh?
Yeah. Probably am. Rebecca.
Hang on, watch for brother, watch for brother.
Look out, Jonathan.
Look out. I'm probably too heavy. Ow. That's the Max jumped over the thing that you can fall off and scrape yourself.
Okay.
2 times.
Are you going to go down, Jonathan?
2 times. 2.
You really can get down those steps fast. That's
Watch one more time. Watch one more time.
She like slides down over.
Uh-huh.
Your turn? Okay, go.
What?
Hang on. Watch
Stop,
Jonathan,
stop.
watch Jonathan.
Watch out, watch out. She must be just as right length.
Uh-huh.
Can I read other books if you have any others?
I don't have any others.